Today's lesson is on fennel seed. There's a couple different ways that you can use fennel. The first time I was introduced to it was when my mom had me put it on my stomach when I was having some menstrual cramps. You can use it for any kind of stomach discomfort or digestion issues. They have it in different forms where you can eat the seed, you can grind it up, you can add it to your food, or you can ingest the oil, or you can add it topically to your skin. It is a hot oil, and so you'd want to use a carrier oil with that when you do put that on your skin, just in case. Everybody reacts differently to that. So fennel is in the family of celery, parsley, coriander, and dill, and it's closely a relative to the anise, which is licorice, which most people usually correlate because of the smell and the aroma of it. It's very anti-inflammatory, and it's a master antioxidant in your body. So the way I choose to use it is to still put it on my body. Also, after I go out to eat or have discomfort or any bloating or gas or cramps, then I will either ingest it or put it on my stomach. You can use vegetarian capsules and put 2 to 4 drops in a capsule, and then you want to fill the rest with carrier oil, and then you can take that with water.